Now we are discussing the fourth type of reaction, that is double displacement reaction. It's another part of displacement reaction itself, but mutual transfer of ions takes place here, that is double displacement reaction. Okay, so let's first of all let's see the example or the experiment. After that we can describe or we can explain more about this double displacement reaction. So for discussing double displacement reaction, okay, double displacement reaction, I have taken in a test tube barium chloride, the salt barium chloride I have taken and I have mixed it with water. I have dissolved it in water, and sodium sulfate, I have taken sodium sulfate and I have dissolved it in water. So I have taken it, clear, in one test tube I have taken sodium sulfate, the other test tube I have taken barium chloride. Both are in aqueous form, that is in solution form. Clear? Now what I am doing is I am going to dissolve it. Okay, I am going to dissolve it. Means I am going to mix these two solutions. Let us see what will happen. Into the barium chloride I am going to add sodium sulfate. See carefully what's happening. What's happening? A clear white precipitate is formed when I added sodium sulfate as well as barium chloride together. Sodium sulfate was added to barium chloride. What is happening? There is water also. The precipitate is formed. Insoluble substance is formed that can be precipitated. Using a filter paper, we can take this precipitate and we'll get salt. And that salt will be barium sulfate. And the remaining water, there will be the precipitant, the water will be there, that will contain dissolved sodium chloride. So the insoluble precipitate is there as well as this water, the precipitate, the water will contain sodium chloride in it in the dissolved form. So since, and this is double displacement, that is the sodium and barium, they are mutually exchanging the ions. Sodium and barium are mutually exchanging the ions, and one compound is formed as precipitate, and so double displacement can also be called as precipitation reaction. So in the experiment which you have seen now, we have taken two solutions of sodium sulfate and barium chloride of sodium sulfate and barium chloride. I have taken sodium sulfate salt and mixed with water and aqueous. Sodium sulfate was taken as well as barium chloride salt. The solid salt was taken and I have mixed it with water. Barium chloride was taken. And when I mixed it together, what happened? What did you see? We are seeing some precipitate, white precipitate was formed. Okay, white precipitate was formed and also there was some water. Okay, the precipitate was with some water. Okay, so listen what has happened. Sodium sulfate. Sodium it is 281, one hand. Sulfate it is two hands. SO4 2 minus it is. So two hands will be there. So 2 sodium, the sulfate ion SO4 it is 2 minus. So SO4 had two hands. Sulfate ion sodium has what? One hand. Sodium has one hand. So it will join here. One more sodium comes, it will also join. So Na2SO4. Na2SO4. Since it is 2 minus, two hands were there. Na2SO4. Okay, this is how it forms, sodium sulfate. So sodium sulfate and barium chloride, when they were joined together, when they were mixed together, what happens? This sodium and this barium, they interchanged the ions. Barium, the positive barium, Ba2 plus, barium came into sulfate, barium sulfate, they attached together, and this sodium went with chlorine. Sodium went with chlorine and barium went with sulfate ions. That means the interchange of ions took place here. So in double displacement reaction, and how what all formed? Barium sulfate was formed. The barium sulfate was the precipitate, the white precipitate which you have seen is the barium sulfate. Clear? That is the white precipitate. And sodium chloride, we know, sodium chloride is the common salt. This common salt, if we are mixing it water, If you are mixing it in water, what will happen? The sodium chloride or the common salt will dissolve in water, isn't it? So in the reaction, inside there was some water. So the sodium chloride was present in the soluble form in water. അപ്പോൾ sodium chloride soluble ആയിട്ട് വാട്ടറിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. And the precipitate which you have seen is barium sulfate. Okay, so there was mutual exchange of ions took place in double displacement reaction. And also, since I have told you in the beginning, precipitation reaction is another reaction. So here double displacement reaction can also be called as precipitation reaction, because a precipitate is formed over here. Precipitate means insoluble substances. Clear? So the precipitate is formed in this type of reaction, and this can also be called precipitation reaction. And the double displacement means mutual exchange of ions takes place in double displacement reaction.